right? So it's an extra, all right? So it's an extra, what, 45 extra calories, which at the very bottom on the right-hand side, you need extra calories every day. So many. Okay, so let's say you wanted to have your grapefruit, that's 2 carb portions, plus the agave nectar, that's 3 carb portions, so your body can absorb that. Okay. And you did not go over your food group. That was the only thing that was missing out of the puzzle. It was that you don't have to, your goal is not to eat all these food groups at one time. Like, eat all your grains at breakfast, eat all your no, it's not like that.
Spread them out.
It's spread them out. You want to get it maybe 3, it's good if you have 3 different foods at one meal, you know. So let's change grapefruit, because I really don't like grapefruit. I like that one I had at the hotel when they took the skin off. I think I'm going to try that. Okay, let's try pears, because that's my favorite, okay? Let's say I want to eat half a pear for breakfast. Is there some cereal? Okay. I want to have a cup of cereal. 1 cup of cereal equals 1 ounce of grain. So I want to have half a pear, a cup of cereal, and some milk. That's 3 carb portions and 1 protein portion.
You said 1 cup of cereal is 1 ounce of grain?
Yes, yes. Half the pear is 1 ounce. I mean, one carb portion, or half a cup of fruit.
So for the rest of the day, you can't have any carbs.
Absolutely
because your mass
not.
is 45.
Okay, put right next to that on your right 45 grams in 4-hour period. I want to make sure 4-hour period in a 4-hour time span. You have to fuel your body.
Only what your body.
Oh,
I thought that was.
I'm so glad, because I want to make that clear, because that's what people hear real quick. The sound bites are real easy to pick up. That's why I like to spend the time, and do this. The sound bites are so short, and I guess some of the nutritionists that are out there only heard that too, and they tell a whole bunch of people to just eat 45 a day, because that's what the Atkins diet puts you on. That's what the Arnold Schwarzenegger diet has. I know, because
Where it says here,
like Arnold Schwarzenegger, I looked up
fruits, 1.5 cups, that's for the day. So 3 portions of fruits
yeah,
for the
that's
day.
for the day. Yeah, those portions is how much those servings, you need to eat those portions
At the top.
at the top row per day.
That's equivalent of reading out.
Yeah.
Right. Good. Isn't that good?
I'm still confused.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. Go ahead and ask the question.
45 grams or 3 carb portions maximum in a 4-hour period.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You got that
Then
down.
what was the per day thing?
Wait a minute, hold on. 4-hour. Okay, remember that 3 carb portions is equivalent to 45 grams of carbs.
Right.
Okay. On the back side, on the front side of the page, your face sheet. Whenever you get your metabolism tested, whenever you get your metabolism tested, I'll get to know exactly how many calories your body needs a day, and I'll design it and say this is how much your body needs. This one's just general, okay? But just say that you already did your metabolism test and everything, and now I know this is how much you need to eat for the day. I would have you memorize how many grains, vegetables, fruit, milk, and meat in this top part right here. This is how much you need every day in order to get all your vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Grains, 6 ounces of grains, 2.5 cups of vegetables, 1.5 cups of fruit, 3 cups of dairy, and 5 ounces of protein foods. Every day. Don't worry. That doesn't change. That wouldn't change. That would be how much you need to eat every day, and you don't have to eat it all. Of course, you can't eat it all at one time. but then you come back the next week and I'll show you. Okay, this is how many carbs you need for breakfast. This is how many carb protein you need for lunch and snack and everything like that. I spaced it out for you. Do not try to do that right now. We're just trying to learn portions. 2 different things. Don't try to do it now. Yeah.
So, just to recap, make sure I
Okay.
understand. The amounts noted at the above here
Yes.
are how much we need daily.
Yeah.
But when we're eating a group that has carbohydrates like the grains, the beans and peas and starchy vegetables, or the yogurt and milk,
And
that,
fruit.
and the fruit, that's when we pay attention to the 4 hour.
Yes, exactly. Y'all hear what his question was? Go ahead and say it again. You said it good. Y'all go ahead.
So the amounts up here at the top are how much we need on a daily basis, but those colored categories that have carbohydrates,
Portion.
portion,
Carbohydrate portion.
which are the grains, veggies, beans and peas, starchy veggies, specifically fruits, and then the yogurt and milk, that's where we pay attention to the 4 hour guideline.
Yeah. That makes sense? Yeah. It sounds good when it's coming from somebody else too. No, really. That's why it group works really well. That's why I like working with families, because you know the family member end up saying it better, like they get what I say, but then they can explain it better to the other person. So that's good. Did that make more sense? Okay, let's go to the dairy group. We did talk about this earlier. One serving has 2 portions in it. It has a carbohydrate portion and a protein portion. One serving of milk is 8 ounces. Oh, I forgot one thing. I'm sorry. Can we go right back up to vegetables? I mean fruit. Why do I call fruit vegetables today? Can we go back to fruit? Because I got to talk about fruit juice real quick. Fruit juice. 100% fruit juice, not Kool-Aid, juicy juice, 100% fruit juice. 6 ounces is equivalent to 1 cup.
This is
On the fruit group. So 6 ounces of fruit juice is 1 cup. So how many portions is that?
2.
Yeah. So really 1 portion of fruit juice is 3 ounces. That's the thing that it takes too many seconds to teach. And that's why America say, don't eat any fruit juice. So that's the clue. It's okay to eat this fruit juice. It's helping you get your fruit. Now, it may not have as many fiber in there, okay? It doesn't have enough fiber. And this is already 2 portions. Is that gonna fill you up? Some people want to chew. Some people don't have time to get their fruit in. So I'm like, why are you not drinking fruit juice? And they're like, because it's forbidden. It's not forbidden, guys. Okay? 3 ounces. Okay, now, that's 30 grams of carbs. When you go to McDonald's, they're going to give you a 12-ounce orange juice for breakfast. That's 4, and you're going to have what else with the breakfast? Now you're just going to go in there. Can I have an orange juice for breakfast? That'll be all. You're going to have pancakes, you're going to have a biscuit, you're going to have that. So don't forget, that biscuit's going to already have 2 carb portions. So add it to the 16, to the 4 that's in here, there's 2 more, that's 6, and then whatever you dip it in. All right, so that's the clue. That's what's making us, it's not the fast food places. The serving is not the portion that changed. The serving is 12 ounces. Because if they came out with this, you'd be mad. That was $1. Yeah, this was 2 out. This is 2 portions. Okay.
It's almost like wasted calories because you can drink it in 1 second. You didn't get to
It's
chew
not
it.
wasted. That's what I'm
not
trying to
wasted,
say.
but I mean.
Because it is. Oh yeah. I know what you're saying. Somebody thinking that they're drinking it to hydrate themselves, right? I'm thirsty. I need to.
Yeah.
Are they trying to think? Yeah, I'm drinking. No, the only beverage is water. Does that make sense? Everything else is a food. I could say, where does this go? What food group does this go in? Fruit group. And what food group does this go in?
Dairy.
Okay. What food group does the soda go in? Extra. What food group does the protein shake go in? Well, we got to figure out what's in it. It may be a fruit, protein foods, milk. Maybe. So everything. And now we're starting to see, and tea goes in the extras. And Crystal Light goes in the extras because Crystal Light is not water. Just want to make that point. Okay. 2 slices of cheese equals 1 cup of milk. Usually your yogurt is going to come in 6 ounces, so that's okay. We have 4 minutes. 6 ounces, so That's gonna be, 3/4 of a cup. And that's gonna have 2 carb portions. Now your cheese does not have carbohydrate in it, okay? It's just protein. It's still a milk though. But if you find a cheese that doesn't have the 7 grams of protein, then it's not cheese. It's not a milk. It's extra.
So what you say
Like
about yogurt?
cream cheese. Huh?
6 ounces.
6 ounces is 3/4 of a cup of the dairy group. Okay, let's jump right into the protein foods group. This is gonna blow your mind. Okay, so 1 ounce is 1 portion. 1 egg is 1 ounce. Where's the egg? 1 egg is 1 ounce. There's the egg. Okay, so with that 3-egg omelet, that's gonna be 21 grams of protein. Can your body absorb that?
Yes.
Yeah, because your body can absorb 25 grams of protein. Your body can absorb 35 grams of protein in a 4-hour period. 4-hour period. Okay. This piece of turkey burger or beef burger, whatever it is, 3 ounces. 3 ounces. I'm going to serve this to you. It's a serving. How many portions in that serving? 2. 3. Because it's 3 ounces.
1 ounce.
There's 3 portions. Uh-huh.
The 3 ounces of hamburger meat is what?
That's a
3 portions.
and that's
This is,
protein.
that's in the meat group.
The 1 egg is 1 portion. And
Uh-huh.
if you have a 3-egg omelet, then it's a 3 portion.
And then so,
Yeah.
2 scrambled eggs is one, so that'd be 2 portions.
2 protein portions and 2 ounces. So you need 3 more ounces for the day, if that was your plan. Okay, yeah.
When you say 1 egg is 1 ounce, that includes the yolk. So if we're just
Yeah,
like
that
egg
includes the
white,
yolk.
that's
That
different.
includes the yolk and egg white. 2 egg whites equals 1 ounce.
2 egg whites is 1 ounce.
2 tablespoons of peanut butter equals 1 ounce protein food. 2 tablespoons. Almond butter, cashew butter, if you're allergic, or my favorite, sunflower seed butter. If you have not, eating sunflower seed butter is so good. Just ask for sunflower seed butter. It's called sun butter. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. Okay, now I just gotta show you. This piece of chicken is 3 ounces. This is 21 grams of protein. Now remember how many, I know what's going through your mind. I eat that big. You come out with that thing, where's the manager? Where is your manager? That's 3 ounces.
The chicken nugget.
That's a chicken nugget. That's what I say. It's a chicken nugget. So that right there is already 21 grams of protein. 3 of those is already 63 grams of protein. And now we're trying to figure out why we have so much allergy shots and renal clinics and all that.
So that 3 ounces of chicken is 21 grams of protein.
Mhm.
And then
3 ounces is 3 portions, right?
That's the same as this. The same as 3 eggs. Remember, because 7 grams of protein. Okay, time for us to wrap it up. Okay, so the clue is the body can only absorb so much, and that's the whole thing about portions. Serving size are different than a portion. The serving is what's given to you, and the portion is what is gonna always stay the same. Portions are always gonna stay the same. Okay, thank you so much, and now we're gonna have some good time